Indian Statistical Officer is an officer upon whom the most of the policies, planning, budget, 5-year plans, all kind of analysis depends on your statistical data. Very good afternoon. In our series of discussions on career and counseling, today we will speak another very important career option. It is called Indian Statistical Service. So this is an all India service and it is a very, very important service. Indian Statistical Officer is an officer upon whom the most of the policies, planning, budget, 5-year plans, all kind of analysis depends on your statistical data. So, being an Indian Statistical Officer, you are the key person in deciding all the programs and policies of the government. You have to put your statistics as a background to give the program. So my dear friends, all the students who are graduated in statistics or applied statistics, who are passed out from Indian Statistical Institute, or those who have completed their statistics in different, they are eligible for this kind of examination. So statistics is the background for which statistics is the only background that can give you this kind of service. This is service conducts annually by the UPSC, the Union Parallel Service Commission, which is otherwise known as Dholpur House. It conducts the exam every year. It gives you the sufficient time annually. There are basically 2-tier examination. One is called the written test, whereby you have to, along with general studies and English, you have to clear the pure statistical papers. There are theoretical papers, and after clearing the prelims, then you go for the personal interview conducted by a interview board constituted by the UPSC, and one of its members, chairman, is one of the member of the UPSC. So, my dear friends, Indian Statistical Service is such an important service. Anybody who are studying statistics, remember the entire planning, entire Niti Aayog, the entire planning commission, the finance ministry, everybody depends on your data analysis, your data interpretation, your logical reasoning. If you are the key factor in shaping the policies and programs of the government, it's a very important job. All India service gives you a handle to operate at a very, very important positions in different parts of the country, different ministries, different departments. It's an extremely important job in the eyes of the Indian economy. Thank you.